Rounding off. Rounding off means to simplify the number to nearest tens, hundreds, thousands place without changing the value of that number. For example, rounding off the number 27 to 30 and rounding off 723 to 700. Now let's check the step to round off. Before starting, can I tell you a secret? You can use this step to all the rounding off, be it rounding off to nearest tens or hundreds or thousands. Finally, let's check the step. Step 1. Find the rounding place and underline. For example, round off number 46 to nearest tens. So underline the number in the tens place, that is number 4. Step 2. Check who is to the right of the underlined number. For example, number 6 is to the right of 4. Step 3. Check whether the number to the right is a weak number or a strong number. Wait, now what is weak and strong number? Attention. Firstly, it is a terminology, that is weak and strong number used by me to make the concept easy to understand. And secondly, use it only to understand and not to write in the paper. Use the terminology present in your textbook. Weak numbers are numbers from 0 to 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And strong numbers are numbers from 5 to 9, that is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now here there is one rule. If the number is a weak number, then the underlined number will remain same. And if the number is a strong number, then the underlined number will change to next number. And all the numbers to the left of underlined number will remain same and the numbers to the right will change to 0. I know. It sounds very confusing, but trust me, you will be a pro very soon. Now coming back to the step 3. Check whether the number to the right is a weak number or a strong number. For example, check whether 6 is a weak number or a strong number. Oh yes, it is a strong number. So going to step 4. Apply the rule. For example, since 6 is a strong number, the underlined number will change to the next number, that is 5. And so the answer will be 50. Let's take one more example. Round off number 127 to nearest hundreds. Underline the hundreds place because we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. Step 2. Check the number to its right. Step 3. Now check whether it is a weak number or a strong number. Here number 2 is a weak number. So last step, that is step 4, apply the rule. That is, the number remains same. And so the answer will be 100. We will learn more with few more examples in next video. Till then, remember to understand and don't by heart